There are places you visit, and then there are places you feel. Malta is one of those places. From the moment you arrive, Malta feels different. A small island in the Mediterranean, but layered with thousands of years of history, water, and a pulse that slows everything down. The wind moves all around you, and everywhere you look, the landscape is candy to your eyes. But what truly defines Malta is the water. Shades of blue you didn't think were real, from the deep sapphire to glowing turquoise. Whether you're standing above the cliffs or right at the edge of the sea, it pulls you in and makes you want to stay a little bit longer. Every corner of Malta tells a story. The cities that have stood for centuries. Walking through places like Valletta or Mdina, you don't just see history, you feel it. It's in the texture of the walls, the silence of the streets, and the way time seems to slow down. The best way to experience Malta isn't rushed. It's wandering, exploring the narrow streets, stopping at a quiet cafe, or finding a view that wasn't even on your plan. Because here, the unexpected moments become the ones you remember the most. summer's golden hour, when the entire island turns into shades of amber and gold. The sun dips slowly into the horizon, and everything, the water, the buildings, the sky, feels almost unreal. It's the kind of moment that makes you stop and just take it all in. Malta isn't just about what you see. It's about how it makes you feel. Slower, lighter, more present. And long after the vacation is over, a part of you stays behind. And somehow, a part of Malta stays with you.